There's a lot of different types of talk shows in the world. There are different styles of host. You could be everything from Jerry Springer having fights on your show to Charlie Rose having detailed, in-depth intellectual conversation with major thought leaders, and everything in between. Your talk show could involve sports, entertainment, total fluff, or public policy. But at the heart of it, it has to involve talking. It's not just an entertainment show of dancing and singing. It's not scripted entertainment. It's not fiction. It's you talking with guests, perhaps with call-in. There are a lot of different formats, but it all comes down to you talking, being comfortable talking, being interesting for your particular audience. Now, your audience might be millions if you're on broadcast TV. You might be going for an audience of 58 venture capitalists. If your focus is just on venture capital, reaching the right audience is more important than a mass audience. This course is going to teach you basic things you have to think about, skills you have to learn, ways of positioning yourself so that when you start your talk show, you'll start off with confidence. Let's hop right in.